porcupine stand on YouTube with Seobed and yeshiemu eye enumre yedama say and no question by adinche bebre na na question no clearly the fan base of Asante Kotoko is divided on Coach Ogum. People believe that the problem is bigger than Ogum. Therefore, in an attempt to fix the problem, we should look beyond Ogum. Ogum, because you sack Ogum and we'll still be where we are. That was a lot of suggestions. Na eba. We did comments na eba. I can be Today's question of the day is very simple. Very, very simple. What exactly is wrong with Asante Kotoko? And Obia Nchre na adwe. Obia Nchre na adwe. What exactly is wrong with Asante Kotoko? That is the question of the day. There will be a podcast. May I announce it this week. Podcast, no, because podcast, but we need your opinion and your concern and your suggestions. What exactly is wrong with Asante Kotoko? 4 matches, Kotoko lose ni na atwaso. Ujene said then and Asante Kotoko. Let's start with the positive. Steve Bukwala scored against Ghana whilst he was playing for the Cranes of Uganda. A match on my boy against the Black Stars of Ghana. Game ended 2-2. Uganda Shemienu Shaban Mohammed, Jordan Ayew Sheba Bakuna Jerome Opoku so Sheba Kuma Ghana Tios Bukwala Shaban Mohammed and Jordan and Jerome and the share goes no at the Ghana. Uganda nya penalty back, Ghana nya penalty back. Now the good news about this is, as a fan of Asante Kotoko, watching your striker playing against the Black Stars of Ghana, you will be proud. When you bet normally, when it comes to Ghana League, getting the right foreign player is an issue. But me at 10, so when you watch the stories of Kotoko, Nabi Tabai, Susa, Salah Mohammed, Sonny Akuba was okay, Danny Zabu, Adingra, George Abege, later there was Infege, Tuga, excellent. Fabio Gama, excellent. Mukwala, excellent. But even along the line, Michael Vinicius from Brazil, and also D'Souza. Last season, Nobia Okai D'Souza. Tushemua, Eyana, Una, the right one, it has its own complications. Oko Hasa. Demola Kuti, Albert Onde, Junior Kaba, Yasan Wachin. Even recently, Kashala, Ramos. No crowd question marks there. Our Kashala. You can even ask questions as to regard to the performance. So what I say. But also when Linda. Dene Bakono Ntangi Otanga Geld Otanga Lenda Ntangi and Kasim Sisi. But don't was saying it me rising to the national team level. Ebo Edemomo. So watching Fege, so Bukwala, I was so happy as a Kotoko fan. Say Kotoko was such a player. Now what me I could do national team Obo. Ediama Uganda against Ghana. Just that along the line, me busu amenya jena na me kai say, na abrantie season e be ya. Obekoso atoa so asiakan Edi ama Kotoko ana. That was also a question. I no so buy na me bisa because do na try and fa. The last thing Kotoko to Thomas Pele and fa. It wasn't the best. Thomas Pele wasn't the best cry. But later but to be the Souza last season and you better top foreigner no be born year and you better. So that is it. I'm happy for him. Happy for him, but I'll be so happy if he extends his contract for Asante Kotoko, which clearly it look like a bit messy. Hard power. Well, let's move on to Adakwe Jache. Say, we a blogger, YouTuber. Now, opeso kwa Adakwe Jache. Eko peke news eko so ewo Adakwe Jache. Seek permission because security at the AJ Sports Complex called the next level. And right, my reporters eko Adakwe Jache. And right no pa. Na the brand say road construction leading to the AJ Sports Complex. Road construction leading to the AJ Sports Complex. Janaso. Kwano penifo yen ticket. Fidie si kwano so fa Rosa Pel ho be fa hospital hona taxi rank hona to Adakwe Jache Sports Complex. Nemo who see Adakwe Jache Sports Complex ne so dia on te se fidie bi su and I want to say dwumadie bi cost. Maka kyerɛw say picture no move from artificial to natural. Sprinklers no normally but more train grass. And now I'm reporter and say when who workers was so. Security man no macho man enya macho dom say wo ye be makakra o say friend kwaku amoma but there was some bit of a year be hu say ye be no but positively say the road to the venue is under serious construction but the sports complex itself na there changes and course so ye din komo fa ho na say yon komo de bia e we get good news. The good news is that very soon then kind of nyoma e be hu Adakwe Jache ne so but e be gradual because team no gusu ye training or therefore activities be our person we bia you should check it out. That is what we are getting but akre ohono no I beat me another good news from AJ Sports Complex. Yusuf Nuruddin story no me piache fridge mo montemase because and then at Central Police Station ebra me call hono me didi nkomo bi na me nya some level of assurance. Therefore I would want to wait till Monday. But me say by Tuesday now, all public sector workers, you treat your muka. Say Nuruddin Dieno, I reflect here. I'll come to the story. Because last month I reflected, but this month, Jume Diebi Koso. The salary ne Jumoye as a nurse na not as Kotoko Ndeka, but it is linked to his performance at Kotoko and linked to a promise I could compare for the man. So I'll keep that story and bring it tomorrow. Coach Ogum is my next story. My source at deep places say possible say Coach Ogum the verdict charge the born it will be out before a week. My source no crowd can Thursday but median when I'm there called a week. Sesana eba na send me di kan no source na confirm Ogum will get punishment but Also, offense no ye be done. So it is what we call suspended punishment. Where punishment here the same you. The two so kakra na de aka no asen wiem. Say ensaye ti bi ma 3 matches a betimi aserve baako. Maybe e de mienu asen wiem. Se mire bi se ba na wo san ye biem a ye twe mienu no be ka foforo na ye de ma wo. And that is what I am picking from the Coach Ogum conversation. Nti ene ekopem yawada, ekopem benada. Now watch it pepe. The verdict on Coach Ogum will be out. But it is dancing around 3 to 4 months. But a likely so say for 1. Now 2 no Oma hold no. That is one aspect of it. Say omoma the 2 matches ban there. Na say eno omo hold bi obe serve ni nyina. And also a story for fra a few oba me de ma 2 ne pe ene de ma me me so me de ma wo e wa Asante Kotoko coach a ye friend Ogum ene ne nkomodie ene ne nhyehyɛ ya ene me ko pie mu e was Central Police Station together with Oyepa yes sports ye team no ye ko ye ndi bone. But the person serve mu yie ni nti na sem ni si a esese ye di ani ekọ ne ekọhwe ni aka no sen ye tie no na ma wo fie no wanya asem no mu gidie na wo what is happening e wo kona bia na ye koduru ye no yehu former Asante Kotoko NCC elections committee chairman maybe a twem ne e fe ne ya mensa ene oye ohene nti nana e kanedin nana piao nana ya mensa na oho lawyer Safu Duku na lawyer Safu Duku former Asante Kotoko communications director na onoso e wo hobi chairman Kwaku Amponsa former NCC chairman, former board member of Asante Kotoko. Dia dodo na anim no chairman K5. No hobi. Kontomponi aferi hene. Nana apenkra kwasie wa head of Asante Kotoko IMC. Na ono so hobi. Omo amehu omo no. Nyane ntie se Asante Kotoko oko secretariat. Branti bi odi djuma oho. No, in charge deputy Asante Kotoko finance manager and in charge of IT. Now also in Richard Akoto because on say Emmanuel Newton that's very ni krum. Because appear ni krum. Ogum so ne mrantie ni training. So somebody from the secretariat was also there. Omo waka no edomudi ete. Na ni nyina na yese call Ekwa Asante Kotoko company for her say from the Ghana police yes Santi region headquarters say kwesiada ebra Kotoko ni nations boy and you maybe sisi wa go prama no so ema yenya ntie say stewards of Asante Kotoko omusan team security of Asante Kotoko ni bi any police ni nya no baba e bia omo police for na nso obani to omo to omo nsa afra Asante Kotoko company for IMC nso omo mbra na omo mbebo omo e wo investigations no cause omo na kuo ni omo dia to omo mbebo omo e wo investigations ni na e ga kwa ese Kotoko ni nations bo bia asemba because Asante Kotoko nations FC e wa brankese na Isa Amedu kodi nsensem o FASM Sharif Mohammed defender kodi nsensem Asante Kotoko ku na nkasa 80,000 Ghana cedis fine FA no e de to Kotoko so e wa brankese and say the second game or the reverse encounter e wa baba ya bi fufuro so asan ya bebom na de bebom no say police no e de video e tre Asante Kotoko IMC Penny I friend Nana Pinkra Kwesi Wa say Abrantie Baako Mienu Miensa Enai Enum Nsia and Nson. They've been spotted in the video. No me him for na omo ye den to Asante Kotoko. News no me so send your channel upon your passports ye de aka ni mo bebro. But omo tire mo no the IMC ka so mo ni mo kakra metimi aka no. So Baako was called to come to a central regional office number 3 no be nsem. So the lawyer Safuduku assisted him plus Nana Penkramo ma nipa no etro na no asem eno ma nipa ni bail. So they've tasked the IMC to bring the remaining 6 names Ochanopa Santa Motu champion the bebro nimbodin sono memfedin ba sometime otu champion edidin ni bebro. Conditions be na ka omo. And what will the police do if these people are bad? Me no channel Santa Motu champion edebe bro. But at the time I feel central there, na kot company for a call hono. Omu nyina enya kwan ekofie. But there came and a Dawson. And there is a video that the police is working with. And this is coming straight from headquarters. If you saw neighbor, say, not in say the panel court. Let me leave that part. They are part of it. There are certain conditions. If we, but I'll leave that side. I won't go there. But year to year, Emma Sunjie by. Just that video I would wa ne a free baba yarano. Ebia kudi police in penning for ewan crime. Ama omo di abakuma ase for no se omo ndi hudwuma eno ena ekoso Asante Kotoko company for so ejina sa akwanya no so tensem bi omo eto Ghana police nanim sa ansem ni nyina na me adomo channel pa or your passports because there is an understanding say bi be ba mejebi ni nyina ebeba so tinana Pinkra Kwesi Wa ene one steward of Asante Kotoko and omo plus other members no nipa no yamana kofie because it turns out say sa nipa no mpo ene yeto yensa frɛ no onu mum na na eye opatafo into the real personalities no free oteneko and asem no sene eba no ebenya abotre ne aka kama yemfa fin tare ho emma Asante Kotoko edin enye basa. But obi catch us say actually matum ye nja omo enye no kre obi atimi akofie Nana Pinkra Kwesi Wa that they were asked to come and answer questions and assist the police because ye did say eye mum nkofo ti mum be boa police for na me hu nkofo no and enye fe see e beti say nipa we oben Kotoko a police for akɔkye because of Kotoko na Kotoko mpanimfo no police for no muti okumase ne enya awe that would be wrong. Nti bibia is solved. Solid relationship between Kotoko and Ghana police. Nsɛm bi wɔ hɔ. Ba ni nyina na yɛde bɛhyehyɛ ho na yɛde amount. Kotoko bɛbɔ bechem next week Saturday. This weekend FA Cup Kotoko nim because we lose to Karela United. Nti Coach Ogum 1 week this week up to Saturday to prepare the team for the Bechem United encounter. Bechem United head coach Eti Keka. Yes. Bechem United head coach Eti Keka. Into Coach Ogum. One na ko Bechem United head coach so say one se Kotoko. I home Bejano Kwan. Serious issue na cause will be changed. Coach, kika ho. Let me kunya resource. Asante Kotoko. Ya kebu nyina ochana pe bebra. Bye bye.